Yes. Today we will discuss about industrial biotechnology. Industrial biotechnology, also known as white biotechnology, always the biotechnology they combines with the industrial process. So it is called as a industrial biotechnology. So it is a white biotechnology. Is the application of biotechnology to industrial processes and the production of bio-based products like chemicals, materials, and fuels. It utilizes always the productions of any products they need for some enzymes, some compounds, some microorganisms. So always this industrial biotechnology is also utilizes microorganisms, enzymes, and other biological components to create more sustainable and efficient manufacturing processes. So finally the productions of product with the help of microorganisms, enzymes, and other biological components, so that to reducing the fossil fuels and minimizing environmental impact. So what is the role of this industrial biotechnology? The industrial biotechnology, the role to reduce the minimizing environmental impact and also the increase the useful of environmental sustainable product. Industrial biotechnology, so other definition, industrial biotechnology includes modern application of biotechnology for sustainable processing and productions of chemical products, materials, and fuels. That is the one small definitions. Industrial biotechnology includes modern applications of biotechnology for sustainable processing and productions of chemical products, materials, and fuels. So that is a finally what is the conclusions? That is the industrial biotechnology always the productions of the product with the help of microorganisms, enzymes, and to produce a product that are useful to broad ranges of industrial sectors like a chemical, pharmaceutical, human, animal nutrition, and pulp and paper textile industries, and also the energy storage materials and polymers using renewable raw materials. So the use of biotechnology to substitute existing process makes many of these industries more efficient and environmentally friendly, contributing to industrial sustainability in various ways. This paradigm changes involves various areas ranging from the most known ones such as pharmaceutical and agriculture to productions of materials such as like a biopolymers as well as a bioplastics. So this one finally the most important one is pharmaceutical and agriculture. They finally the productions of materials such as biopolymers and also the bioplastics. So the industrial biotechnology can produce the same results such as a petrochemical industries but using the biological catalyst. Already you know that that is a biological catalyst since is nothing but it act as an enzyme. So the what is the enzyme's role? They increase the speed of the reaction. So the applications of state scientific disciplines to industrial biotechnology, not for the industrial biotechnology, not for only included the biotechnology field, and also some additional interdisciplinary field like biochemistry, microbiology, genomics, proteomics, bioinformatics, systems biology, and process engineering is the foundation for leveraging the rapid and specialized competitive growth of the sector based on the biocatalyst. So always the productions with the help of it need for biocatalyst. So all the biocatalysts that enable to high productivity, performance as well as stability. So final productions of product they will be high productivity and also the performance and stability. These are all the called introductions about the industrial biotechnology. So next we will move on to the this industrial biotechnology. What is the role of bio-based economy? So the first one, use of renewable resources. So they are always the renewable resources they are collected from the nature. So finally the productions of products. So first one is the use of renewable resources. Industrial biotechnology primarily utilizes renewable biological resources like biomass, crops, and waste instead of fossil fuels to produce a valuable products. The next one, bioprocessing technologies. It involves advanced bioprocessing techniques such as fermentation, enzymatic conversion, and microbial synthesis for converting raw materials into bio-based products. So first one is a use of renewable sources, and second one is bioprocessing technologies. So third one, it is involved to the productions of product. It's like a sustainable production. So they maybe it will involved to they used to further purpose also. So they collected from the samples or materials from the natural. They are helpful for the futures. They always the productions of products. Okay, so these are greenhouse gas emissions, lowering energy usage and minimizing environmental impact. So next one, bio-based products. So always they are productions of products. They are biofuels, bioplastic, biochemicals, and other eco-friendly materials. So they replacing traditional petroleum-based products. So second one, the next one, integration with other sectors. Industrial biotechnology interacts with the various industries. So always the industrial biotechnology or any industrial biochemistry not only involved to the appropriate field, it is also they involved to various industries like a multidisciplinary of their research work. So like this including agriculture field, like a plant related, pharmaceuticals, that like a medical field, and also the chemicals, energy, and also they involved to the food processing. So integration with the other sectors. So industrial biotechnology not only involved to the biotechnology field, they intersects the various industrials field. Like very good. So the agriculture, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, energy, and food processing. So next one, the circular economy. It plays a key role in the circular economy by promoting waste valorization and recycling of biological materials. And next one, the circular economy means the productions of product. They may most probably they useful for the from the waste to natural environments, natural products. The productions of product. These products sales to the low cost. So they are circular economy is also the important, as well as the recycling process is most important. Yes, innovation and green technologies. It drives innovation in green technologies, including synthetic biology, metabolic engineering for customized product development. So, innovation, like they innovate the new idea and the green technologies, they field the productions of product, they most probably the development, they helpful for the development. Okay, and also the finally the job creation and rural development. So it is a main concept because of the creating of job. It will be depends to the particular area. If they are choosing in the rural development, most people they are interested to do the work in the industry field. So you will create the job and they make the product. The productions means they generate employment opportunities to the bio based industries. And finally the policy and regulatory support. So once you are create jobs or anything, the policy and regulatory support is the main important, because of the without the support we will not run anyway. Okay, so the governments and international organizations are increasingly supporting industrial biotechnology through policies, funding, and bioeconomic strategies. So the policy regulatory support is also the main important. The next one, contribution to climate goals. Industrial biotechnology aids in achieving the climate change mitigations targets by offering low carbon alternatives to the traditional manufacturing process. So that's all about the industrial biotechnology, bio based economies. Thank you all. Okay, so just to overview about the again the bio based economy. So the bio based economy, the use of renewable resources. So first of all, the use of renewable resources while you are choosing the natural products, it's also the renewable biological resources only they useful for the productions of product. And second one is the bioprocessing technologies. The bioprocessing technology, since is nothing but they productions of product with the help of the some enzymes, some chemicals, and some microorganisms, and also the productions of products, sustainable productions. These sustainable productions of products, it's also they give the low energy storage and minimizing environmental impact. So for example, if they are choosing any type of the plant, their productions or product, finally we will get the any results, the positive results of the product. So they may be sales in agriculture, sorry, they maybe they helpful to environment. It's need for the sustainable production, so they maybe it's helpful for the future also. Then next one, bio-based products. The process leads to the productions of biofuels and bioplastic and all the things they are bio-based production. And also the integration with the other sectors. The always you know about that the industrial biotechnology, they are integrated with the what is that? They are other sector also. So like a biochemistry, environmental or pharmaceuticals or agriculture field or energy storage field or, and also the nutrition field also. Yes. Then economy is also important. Their productions of product, they with the help of their waste or recycling process, they must important in the circular economy. And also the innovation and green technology, it drives innovation in green technologies, including the synthetic biology and metabolic engineering for customized product development. So the next one, the creations of the job creation and rural development. By utilizing local bioresources, it promotes the rural development and generates employment opportunities in bio-based industries. So the policy and regulatory support, so the government or a non-governmental or international or institution level of the policy, they support to do any of the work, we will complete the very successful. So without the support and regulatory support, they do not getting any funded or any successful process of product work. So finally, the contribution to climate goals, the important the industrial biotechnology to change the mitigations targets by offering low carbon alternatives to traditional manufacturing process. So that's all. Thank you all.